Once a king called his court's wise men and angrily said to them, "You all are here, and people say that you are the greatest wise men in this kingdom. But it seems that I have not been able to learn anything from you." He questioned, "What's the matter? You all are here, and yet I remain the same. Then what are you doing here?" At that time, a child was also present there who came there with one of the wise men. He laughed at this. King asked, "Why are you laughing? It's insulting to court. Hasn't anyone told you about manners?" The child replied, "I'm laughing because they are silent, and I know why they are silent. I know why you haven't been able to be benefited by them." King looked at the child's face and he could see innocent yet ancientness in his eyes, as if he carries all the knowledge from all his experiences in past. King said to him, "Okay, then can you teach me something?" The child said, "Yes." King said, "Then teach me." The child said, "Okay, if you want to learn from me, then you have to follow me and do what I ask you." Then he said, "First, you come down here where I am sitting, and I will sit on the throne. Then again ask me like a disciple, not like a master." King understood then that he couldn't learn from those wise men, not because they couldn't teach, but he was not ready. He was not receptive, not humble enough to learn from them. Then King did as the child said. When the child sat on the throne, he said to King, "Now you ask like a disciple, not like an emperor." King never asked anything. He just thanked the child and saying, "There is no need to ask. Just by sitting in a humble attitude near your feet, I have learned much." The moral of the story is, humbleness is a basic thing. If you are humble, then you will learn much even without a wise man. You can learn from trees, springs, wind. If you are humble enough, then whole existence becomes a teacher to you. Thanks for watching. This is Palta Motivation Stories, and stay blessed.